We're going to the beach today.
Get summer vibes.
Zoom! I'm vlogging today.
I'm staying here in this car because I don't want to go in. What's this?
You're close! Oh, thanks! You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear this.
I know, the sweatshirts, 10 out of 10.
I know. Can get in, I'm gonna... Thanks. I got them. You can throw that shit in the bag. The screen sun, do you know where that went?
Rainberry.
Oh, I was gonna bring that, but I forgot.
I brought it, but it fell out of my bag. Are you guys excited or what?
Yeah, I'm excited. Hi, Joe. Hi,
You go.
Hi, Joe.
We're at this beach. 2014.
The fuck?
I don't know how many people. Are you sure it's that one?
I'm not. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure it's like 220.
I thought it was 180.
No, it's one.
It was 164.
I don't feel like checking this. Just
I know it was.
It was 164.
How many? I forgot it again.
125.
Is that two?
It
Five.
was 164. It was 164.
Three.
Oh, they put it into it.
4.
5. Wait, is that's not a quarter?
That's a dime. Nickel.
Whatever, I don't care about it. It's okay. Nice job.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's funny. 4.
What are we at? Oh. 5. That's it, right?
That's it.
Okay, make sure, right?
Cool.
Clear slat.
Thank you. Gracias por la ayuda.
Mia.
Shit, man.
I don't know.
That taco. That cream. Anyone know that song?
Did anyone bring a speaker?
I did.
Oh,
Okay, good.
yes!
I knew you were gonna bring it.
This is us.
Want to go to the top or bottom?
Top. I love Remember how we said we would do this all the time?
Yes. And this is like the second time.
I said that too. I was like, I'm going to go to Chicago like every week.
We're basically in the city now.
That's us.
Football.
Thank God you say that.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Meow, meow, YouTube.
Ooh. Yeah. I don't like myself. I look like a meme. We're here. Thank you. Yeah. Now we're gonna get on the L.
The L, the brown line.
My fucking card wasn't reading, and I don't know. I only know how to use a chip. I don't know how to swipe it ever.
Are you getting anything?
Oh yeah. I got a burger and fries.
Oh, I didn't know we were getting food.
I got fries.
Take off my snowshoe.
Maybe I forgot a towel, so. Wait, look.
We got McDonald's.
I'm excited. Like, we're not. I mean, got these Coke. I mean, black pepper. DP. Hey.
Squad. Grab it. All right.
Just vlogging everyone's silent.
Yeah.
They'd be awesome.
It's a joke.
Golden hour. We're walking and we're walking.
In the street, what if you just got hit by a bus and the video didn't end? Please get in.
Hot boys.
Those are like old men. Whoa, the one walking?
Got a really good back, sir.
I'm like struggling here.
So am I.
But look how cool this is. Yeah. Like, damn. This is so cool.
Is that a circus in the middle?
Do you see that out there?
Where?
Straight out there behind the lamp.
It's like a circus.
I don't think so.
Behind the lamppost.
Wait, whoa.
It's like a water.
I smell it. So, just went into the water. The waves are gnarly.
Super.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Look at this.
I really can't see. Oh no.
Can you see?
Well, are we taking a picture? Are we? No. I'll say 1, 2, 3, and then you have to open your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Traffic. I can't wait to take a fat nap. Or just sleep.
This is a Brownline train.
We're getting back on the train soon. And we are defeated.
Yeah, we are.
It's been a long day. I know.
So where's the driver of the train?
It's over there.
It's in the back?
Bye train.
Bye, plane.
Bye train plane.
Getting there. What if I lost that?
Bye Mia.
All right. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed.
Bye.
What is it?